Welcome to IndusphereTech, bridging real-world automation with digital simulation, industrial automation, digital twins, Python, Omniverse. If you're curious about the future of industry, you're in the right place. Subscribe for real projects and smart solutions. In this video, I'll show you how I connected a Rockwell Micro850 PLC to a simulation in NVIDIA Isaac Sim. The goal, to control a traffic light in real time with realistic lighting effects. The traffic light is controlled by a Micro850 PLC using the Pylogix library. We read 3 variables, green light, red light, and yellow light every 20 milliseconds. The script is embedded inside the script node. Each PLC variable activates a color, and I chose dark shades to represent lights that are off, just like in real life. Mutual exclusion logic is not handled here. The PLC determines which lights are on. I'm using action graph nodes to directly apply color to each sphere representing a traffic light. One node is used to trigger the script, and new colors are instantly applied. Here's the live simulation. You can see the traffic light changing automatically based on the PLC. The transition is smooth, and each light becomes vivid when activated. When a light turns off, it becomes almost black, which makes the effect highly realistic. This simulation shows how Isaac Sim can be used to create realistic environments with direct communication to real hardware. Subscribe if you want to see more projects using Python, Isaac Sim, Omniverse, or industrial automation. And if you have questions or ideas, leave them in the comments.